Oh, Abraham.
Look, yeah.
Oh, Abraham, what's up?
It's actually creepy.
I'm that gorilla. Oh, I like that one.
And here it comes. Here it comes. He's going the other way.
What, the camera? No.
He went the other way.
Coming back around.
Oh, there he is. Look, look, look. Ronan, do you see the kitty? Way up.
There he is. Yeah.
Oh, Abraham.
Look, yeah.
Oh, Abraham, what's up?
It's actually creepy.
Come from it. Come from it.
Have the last thing in DJI's. He cannot hear.
Hello.
Yeah? What's up? Look at him. Look at him. Ronan. Ronan. Look at him. कैसे कर दिया? कैसे कर दिया? He's gonna jump. He's gonna jump. He's gonna jump. He's gonna jump.
Oh, they gotta fight. Oh!
Bye.
He's tired.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, that kind of doesn't.
Oh.
He's tired.
Oh, what is that? They're gonna want
Oh, he's coming. Watch out, bro. You better watch out.
right there,
Oh.
right there.
He's
Come on.
He's spying.
तुम देख सकते हो ना ऐसे ही उसे देखने दो चढ़ के ऊपर
I'm gonna see buses too. Oh my god.
They're beautiful, no?
Yeah, cougars.
They're terrifying.
They're terrifying. Oh, whoa, भागा उसके पीछे. Oh man, oh ऊपर जाकर लड़ रहा है. Oh, outside.
Come on.
They're right there.
Watch out.
Musa, stop.
OMG.
They're not fighting anymore.
They're like playing.
Why are not they fighting?
Musa, वो देखो.
I don't see the wrestle they have. I can't.
मुसा अंदर डाल दो पिंजरे के डाल दो मुसा तुम्हें देख रहा है वो कह रहा है ये कौन यम्मी बच्चा आया है मुसा wait
Ooh, you heard that?
Oh yeah, they're ready to fight now.
They're hungry
Yeah.
and they see you as a food and they want to eat you.
मुसा मुसा अरे यहाँ पे
Mexican wolf. Look, Mexican wolf.
yeah
Put that in my thing again.
it's right there
I don't see.
okay you don't see
There's another one right there.
Mexican wolf.
चलो let's go come on Musa come here
Hey, come here. You're his food. He's looking at you.
say hola
He's looking at you. You're his food.
Musa come here
You see that? You see that? You scared or what?
This guy's eye on you.
Yeah?
It's like I ain't eating that food.
Look at that. There are two of them. They're like, we're gonna share you.
He's like. He's like.
They're looking at him. Look, this one is looking at him.
Oh, look at him, Chad.
Ooh. See that?
He's like staring right in my eyes. ये देखो, ये देखो, ये देखो, ये देख रहे हो? पलटू पलटू करेगा? Stop crying then. Stop crying. Look at him. Is he it?
Oh, this is the hedgehog.
यहाँ पर जो है बच्चों के लिए बनाया हुआ है. बच्चे आते हैं,
Daddy, this one's a
एनिमल से
hedgehog.
इंटरेक्ट करते हैं.
Daddy, this one's a hedgehog.
Hedgehog? Very nice. How small is it?
It's like spiky and it's a medium.
Oh wow.
What is that? Sticky?
Yep.
Oh.
Whatever.
Look at that big one.
He's a baby?
Oh, he's about 5 years old.
Oh, okay.
I'm 6.
You're so well. He's going to catch up with you pretty soon.
Yeah.
But I'm going to try and feed him. But
Okay, we
unfortunately,
go eat.
I don't think he's going to eat because he's in the process of getting ready to shed. Usually we can't tell if it's dirty because they bury it in the sand, but it's pretty obvious that he's
Getting the
Okay.
but he doesn't have caps on his eyes. No, it's a Kenya sand boa.
Oh, okay.
You never see him because they bury him
अरे
in the
देखो खाना
sand.
देंगे उसको.
candy.
अभी देखना देखो किधर food.
I really don't expect him to eat today. I'll be surprised if he does. Because it looks like he's getting ready to shed. Come on. Come on. You haven't eaten in a couple of weeks.
Yeah, they eat in a couple of weeks.
Yeah. They can go months without eating.
Really?
Yeah. So. Yeah, he definitely. See how gray he looks?
Yeah.
Usually they're a nice bright orange and black.
He's beautiful.
Eat it. Eat.
Is that the baby rats?
Yeah, it's what they call a pinky because it's the size of the tip of your little
Yeah.
finger. Yeah.
Yeah, he's not eating.
No,
Excuse me.
I don't think he's gonna eat. He didn't eat last week. He did.
किसको?
Like he's sending it back down.
Oh,
Then you put food in it. He's gonna roll it up.
really?
Yeah.
एक और डॉलर तो फिर. और ये जो है ना बकरे हैं, very tight.
ये लो.
Come on. इसको क्या नीचे?
लाओ नीचे लाओ.
Hold this. Hold it. यहाँ से जो हम ये प्याला नीचे लाएंगे.
Put it in.
पूरा डाल.
Yeah, put it in. Oh, look at him! Look at him! Look at him! He's so smart. He's so smart.
और ऊपर से ये निकाल कर खा रहा है.
Do more.
Look how smart he is.
Ibrahim, don't get too close.
Ibrahim Ali.
They're gonna.
The biker dog. Musa. Ah. Musa back.
Yeah, penguin check करें आप.
That's the first time seeing live penguins. Huh? Musa? The baby like that?
Back.
Pीछे.
Back.
Pीछे.
Back.
Get back.
Musa back.
ये नाम भी लिखे हुए हैं रिव्यू के ऊपर है इधर नेम बैक
वो पूरा सेटअप बनाया हुआ है इन लोगों का. फुल टाइम मजे शश के. Bye, Musa. Hi, Musa.
It's a new belt. No, it doesn't work right.
All right, let's go.
Not bad at all.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, we gotta get going. Okay, back in the wagon. Let's go. Jump in.
Well, Sienna will go in there. You go in this one. She doesn't like you.
Yeah.
I don't eat with my face.
Like you eat with the red chicken.
Yeah.
That hippopotamus.
At that.
Look at it. Look at it.
Ooh.
Where's Daddy?
Take him outside. You took him outside. You took him outside.
Is that outside?
Come on, let's go, Musa.
Oh, he threw it over there. He ate it. हमने उसको फेंका उसने खा लिया.
Banana? Musa,
Oh my god. Oh my god.
See him out there?
Go and look at a monkey. Go look at the monkey.
He's got it all. He's holding it.
Go.
He's saving all the food. See him over there? Here he
There he
comes.
goes. There he goes.
Oh, look, here he comes. Oh, he's eating.
Musa, come here.
I'm that gorilla. Oh, I want that one.
Alright guys, अभी हमने zoo visit करा है. बहुत ही fun था, बहुत ही मजा था. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
Allah Hafiz everybody.
Alright, Allah Hafiz. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, on the next video.
Say please like, subscribe and share.
Please like and subscribe and share.